there, but we're back inside again. Hi, my name is Vikindas and this is Caprice 19-foot sailing boat I'm restoring. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. So we carry on the bulkheads, well, on the villages now. And this is the last time I put this on. Peel ply. Got it off. Couple bubbles, but we're gonna fill it, and it's no any problem. Easy as that. Running very low on the epoxy, so using the last one before I order even more. But yeah. Come on, a little more. Remember 12. Well, if you wanna sponsor me, send me some resin. To be fair, Vestin Systems reach me out on Instagram. Could send me more. Happy days. It's there. Parts there. And yeah, don't worry about roughness. We always can sand it, bear it, and we're gonna put the gel coat on the top and be mint. Right, we're gonna measure 55 by 51, something like that. Little matty mat. Good there. Then we need the peel ply. Like that. Or 2 pieces. 1.5. It is nice that we can roll it, flatten up. Nice to finish. Ole, 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 ole. Bang. 2 pieces. Go there. Awesome. I'm not sure what this brown stuff is coming out. Is it rust? Or is it just corrosive? No one knows. Anyway, 16. 1, 2, 15, 16. One for luck. It's definitely rust because it's a little bit brown. Cheers. done my patch. Put a little bit extra there for next time, and yeah, I'm gonna come back tomorrow, peel it off, see what it is, and yeah. Right, got this. I'm gonna peel it off. Nice fill, sanded, gonna be perfect. Obviously been raining non-stop, so we got water down there, and again I'm gonna sort it out. This crazy amount of water coming from. Well, I think through there somewhere. Thanks for watching. Wanna see more? Press subscribe, follow, whatever, comment below. Have to order more epoxy for finishing off and move on. Hopefully next couple episodes gonna be done and dusted. Gonna move on. Thanks for watching. That's the biggie. Stay here.